myself Madan from Civil Department 6M. I would like to tell about methods of dewatering. What is method of dewatering? Removing water from an excavation, and the process of removing water from an excavation is known as dewatering, and in this process the water is drained outside by pumping from the location. The main purpose of dewatering is to provide a dry base for the foundations by lowering the groundwater table of a given locations. And next topic, the methods of dewatering. There are various methods used for controlling the groundwater during an excavation. Choosing the most suitable method of dewatering for a particular site is a critical step, and the presence of unwanted water of an construction site can lead to complications like an unsafe work area, an increase in construction cost, and delay in scheduled work. So, it is important to select the right method of dewatering and undesired water on the construction site. In this, there are four major methods of dewatering, and they are as follows: well point, second educator wells, open slump pumping, deep well point method. Let us study these methods in detail. Well point method is basically a perforated metal or plastic pipe of 5 cm to 7.5 cm in a diameter, covered with a screen. The length of the pipe varies 60 cm to 120 cm. The lower end of the pipe has a driving head with water holes on it. The pipe, known as riser pipes, are inserted into the ground by driving or jetting. The upper end of the pipes is connected to a pump, and the groundwater is drawn by the pump through the header pipe. It is then discharged. Next point, educator well. In this, the water removal of dewatering method is relatively cheap, flexible, and also efficient under most soil and hydraulic conditions. Next point, educator well. This method of dewatering is similar to the well point system. In this method, high pressure water is used to draw water and well points instead of vacuum. High pressure is given through a venturi tube, creating a reduction in the pressure which are drawn from water through a pipe of large diameter. The educator well system can operate many well points from a single pump station. Due to this, The water table can be lowered in a single stage from depth 10 meter to 45 meter in soil, lower permeability. Open slump pumping. It is a pumping in one of the easiest, cheapest, and most effective methods of dewatering. In this method, drains and pumps are constructed at one or more sides of the corners of the excavated pit. The groundwater gets collected in the pump slump through drains. The collected water is excavated either manually or mechanically from the slump. If the quantity of water is less, it may also get evaporated and its own after a few hours. But if the quantity of water is removed is large, the dewatering is done and mechanism equipment as a pumps. Precautions for dewatering. Without proper planning and supervision, dewatering should not be done in cause of complexities like soil erosion and such as problems to construction sites. Given below for few tips of consider choosing a discharge area. The dewatering should be done under special supervision. If signs of erosion instability found, stop dewatering instantly. The water should not be pumped directly in slopes. Wooded buffers should be not clearing in possible. If possible, a water construction site should be discharged and directed to the forest buffer zone. Channels not be used for dewatering must be stable and protected with grass or vegetation. Dewatering should be avoided under heavy rain. Water contaminated with oil, grease, and chemical products such do not shot directly. Such cases of oil water separate can be used so that it is about the detail about the dewatering. So and well, thank you so much.